Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous section we have seen SQL DDL commands and DML commands of insert and select. In the current video we will see update and delete statements of DML commands. Let's switch it to MS SQL Management Studio. We have already MySQL DB and employee table. Let's take a new query and write a select query of to retrieve all the records from a employee table. Let's go and exit. I have 6 rows in the employee table. Let's go and update all the employee phone numbers to 0. So update employee set employee phone number to common number of 0. So this is a syntax for updating a value for an employee phone number in the employee table. Let's go and execute this update statement. So it's affected and 6 rows affected. So let's go and exit select query. If you can see, all the employee phone number in the employee table, it's updated to 0. So this is how we can update all the data, all the rows data from an employee table, employee phone number updated to 0. So now I want to update for the specific employee phone number. So for that I'm going to write employee set employee phone number equal to, and we have to give a where class. So in the previous section we have seen the where class to filter a data from the select query. So for the update query we have to write a where class, otherwise the data will update all the rows from a table. So let's go and mention employee ID. Let's go and give us a 5th. Let's select and execute. You can see one row affected. Now select the select statement and you can see in the result set you can see employee ID 5. The employee ID 5 employee phone number is updated to 9999. So in this manner we can update the values to a particular column in the employee table. Now how we can update multiple column values with using where class. So let's take a copy of it. So now I'm going to give as a employee phone number is 888 and I'm going to add employee city. So here you can see employee ID number 6, the city value employee city is null. So I'm going to update employee city to Hyderabad and the ID equal to 6. So let's go and select this and execute. You can see one row affected. Select and execute. So now you can see the employee ID 6 which we updated, employee city as Hyderabad and employee phone number is 888. So like this we can update the values. So here one tip for update query, we can use a begin transaction and commit transaction. So suppose you written as a update query by mistake, if you are not written anywhere class, by default it will update all the rows from a table. So how you can roll back the update statement we will see now. So now I will update. Let's take a copy of the same. The employee phone number or employee phone number I will give as a 111. Let's go and execute. If you see the employee phone, all the records of employees, it is updated to 111, but I should update only one particular employee. So we can't roll back whatever we have updated. So let's go and check it out how we can update a particular row and with the rollback option. So we have to use begin transaction. So now I'm going to update employee phone number. First you have to select the begin transaction. You have to execute begin transaction. Then go and execute the update query. 6 rows affected. You can see in the select statement, you can see all the data is updated to 99999, but I want to roll back which to 1111. So you can use roll back command. Select this roll back and execute. So now command successfully completed. Let's go on the select statement. You can see 111 because once you use the begin transaction, we have to use a commit command. So why the begin transaction and rollback commit statement is required when you are updating a update statement? By mistake, if you anything updated and wrongly from a table, it will affected all the records from a table. So that's why we have to use a begin transaction and rollback. So now let's see how we can update a use the begin transaction, update 999, then commit. So once you committed that once you committed the changes, then you can't roll back to previous values. Let's go and check it out. Here you can see all the records is updated to 999. This is how we can update values to the table. So when you are updating any records from a table, be cautious, written where class properly, or you can use a begin transaction and rollback options. So let's see how we can use a delete statement. Select star from employee. Now I have a 6 rows. I want to delete particular employee data from a table. Let's go and delete from employee. So here also you have to give proper where condition, otherwise the data will all the data will deleted from the table. So when you use the delete from a table, it will delete all the data from a table. We have to use a where class. Employee ID equal to 5. I'm going to delete employee ID 5th. Let's go and execute. One row affected. Now we can see in the employee table only 5 rows available. There is no employee ID 5th since we have deleted the data from a table. So like this we can use a delete query. So the delete query also you have to ensure the where class should be properly written, otherwise the data will deleted from the table. Let's go and delete all the records from a table. 5 rows affected. So now we can go and execute select statement. We can't see any records from a table since we have used delete from a table without where class. So now it's deleted all the records from a table. So this is how we can use a update and delete statement from a SQL database. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.